If you are a Sasquatch researcher and you're already keeping up with essential metadata like the date, time, and location of every single research endeavor you go on, that's amazing. You're already on the path to having fantastic data to use for analysis. But there's usually one piece of information that's missing from your notes that would make your data extra valuable for scientific analysis. And that missing piece of data is called effort. Now, tracking effort isn't complicated. It just means keeping up with where you went, the route you took, how long you were out, and how long you stayed in each area. Tracking effort is so important because it helps us accurately analyze the data. For example, if you have a lot of data in one area, and it looks like a hotspot, it might not actually be one. It might just be where people are going more frequently and staying longer, so more stuff is happening. But if we keep up with effort, this is a thing that helps us differentiate between a real signal and human behaviors. And this is why data resources like eBird are so useful, because they track effort. Scientists need this data so that we can accurately interpret patterns. So to make this super easy for you, here are the 3 things that you should always log to make sure you're keeping up with effort data when you're in the field. Number 1 is the route that you took. Even if that means just placing a couple pins on the map so that you have a general idea of where you went, that's great. But of course, it's always best to be as accurate as possible. So if you can track the actual thing, do that. Number 2 is total time. Just write down, I was outside for 45 minutes, 2 days and 3 hours. Whatever, but we need that. And number 3, last but not least, is the number of stops that you took and how long you were in each stop. So let's say you made a stop at the creek for 15 minutes. Write that down. You were on a ridge for 20 minutes. Write that down. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And then the data becomes so much more valuable. It's also worth mentioning that there are apps that you can use that'll track your route. You can add notes and photos and whatever, and it makes it that much easier to track effort. Avenza is a great resource, and I highly recommend checking out that app, or there's tons of others in the app stores. So the next time you're in the field, track your effort. It'll make your data that much more valuable. Also, screenshot this checklist and try it out on your next outing.